Hello guys, in this video today we will learn about how we can install JSON viewer plugin in Notepad++. So to install JSON viewer we just need to navigate to the plugin menu, and from here I need to click on plugins admin, and then in the search we can search here JSON, and you can see in the result here you can see right here this is JSON viewer checkbox is available. So just check this checkbox and click on install button just at top right side. Okay, so it is now asking me to Notepad++ will be closed and reopened after, so I'm clicking on yes, and you can see it's now asking the permission, and now it's started the downloading and also installed the same thing, and now automatically restarted the Notepad++. So here you can see this I am having the string right here, the JSON, right? But this string is not easy to read. So what I will do right here, I will navigate to plugins and then the JSON viewer, and right here I will show this, click on show JSON viewer. So you can see a new window is opened right here at the left side. So here I can see each and every node inside the JSON string. So this is the one way you can use JSON viewer to see the node. If you are having a very large amount of data, then this node will be really very helpful for you. Okay, and one other thing where you can also use JSON viewer is like this. When you go to JSON viewer, now I will click on format JSON. So right here you can see the JSON string is in properly format now, and it is also easy to read now. And one more thing, we have option here, like in JSON viewer you can see one option is here compress JSON. So it will do again like as it was earlier. Okay, so it will remove all the spaces basically. So this is the three things which JSON viewer can do. Okay, so thank you for watching. That's all in this video for now.